not come to play with you hoes. I came to slay, bitch.
I see it, I want it. I stunt yellow, want it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it.
See my days are cold without you,
I've been taking my skincare seriously because my skin has improved so much from last week. We thank God for that. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another weekly vlog. Yeah, it's going to be a weekly vlog, obviously. I just wanted to start off this vlog. Today is Wednesday, a bit late to start off this vlog, but yeah, we move. The last vlog ended on Tuesday. Actually, that was Jana. The last vlog ended yesterday, so I decided to start off a new vlog. So right now I'm supposed to be filming I'm filming a reel, but I've already filmed like half of it, so there's a part that I need to add at the beginning of the reel, so that's what I want to do right now. And then what else am I supposed to do today? I'm supposed to go and hang my clothes zilani kwa rooftop. So I got a cleaning lady, and Nairobi hooked me up with her cleaning lady, so right now at least I have someone to help me with the house duties. So she came yesterday, she washed all my clothes, she cleaned the whole house, she washed my dishes, like she literally did everything. So my house right now is so clean, I don't even need to do anything today morning, because last night I didn't have any dinner, I didn't cook anything, so my dishes are clean, the house is clean, like everything is just clean. I changed my bed sheets, I changed my duvet cover, like everything is just where it's supposed to be. So right now I have to shoot that reel. I'm supposed to go pick up a package for Nairobi because she's not around, so I need to do that now. The rider is on his way, so I wanted to go pick up the package, then can finish shooting my reel. Then I also think I'm going to do the Jumia unboxing. Actually, she's calling right now. I think the rider is here. So yeah guys, I'll see you later on. Also, I have a brand meeting in Afit starting I think in 30 minutes, so I'm going to take you guys with me kidogo. Yeah, for the brand meeting. It's a Jumia brand meeting. We usually have like monthly check-ins or twice a month, I don't know. Yeah, so we're having that meeting today, so I'm going to bring you guys with me. It's a virtual meeting, I'm not like going to the office or anything, so I'm going to show you guys that. That's that. Now to the categories. So we have tech for stay-at-home moms.
I'm hurting while I'm with you. My heart can take no more. I keep on running back to you, running back to you.
Guys, imagine my ring light charger just blew up right now while I was filming. So such as to what I'll do, I think I'll need to get a new ring light or a new charger. Wow, I'm having a day. I'm going downstairs to pick up my food. The rider is already here, so I'm going downstairs to pick it up.
My days are cold without you, while I'm with you. For my heart can take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one about me, and I was all you had. Though my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See my days are cold without you, I'm hurting while I'm with you.
Umechoka? Umeniletea vitu zangu? Hi guys, so I want to start off the vlog. Today is Friday, baby. Today is Friday. Leslie and I are supposed to create content. Tuna create separate content, but Sasa will help each other. We're going to create content together. She's creating content for Jumia Food and Jumia Party. I'm creating content for Jumia Mall and personal content.
For Jumia Party, I'm creating for Jumia Food and Jumia XEABN.
But they make sense. So yeah, so we are creating content together. Just wanted to give you like a little intro before we continue. So yeah, let me finish up my makeup. I was actually talking to you guys as my concealer dries. See you guys later on. Yeah, even if it doesn't happen, it's okay. It means it was not meant for me. I really want to learn how to let go. I don't want to keep controlling every chapter of my life. Like say I want to let go and let God. Yeah, and also start to control what's meant to be and what's not meant to be.
I wish I was a
A fresh graduate. Ushakuwa hadi mwenyeji, hadi uko kitchen.
Baby, baby, baby. From the day I saw you, really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you. I must really like you. There's not a lot of.
Hi guys, so Les and I just finished filming. You guys, so we went for lunch at Crystal's place. She invited us for lunch. Then Leslie and I came back to film because we were filming. Actually, we were filming when she called me and told me that food is ready because she had invited us for lunch earlier. So yeah, so we went, had lunch. Now we're going upstairs again to Crystal's place for drinks. So I just wanted to show you guys like my face before I go. Yeah, we're going to turn up and enjoy. I just want to take off my makeup, shower, then yeah, go there. So I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure whether I'll continue vlogging today, but if I continue vlogging, obviously you guys will watch and see. If not, see you guys tomorrow. I look so cute. Leslie, come say hi. Guys, the house is a mess because we were filming.
Hi guys.
Guys, you're not ready for the reel Leslie has created for her page. You guys are not ready. I'm so proud of you, Aki. Your content.
Excuse me, nimeweza.
You guys will see. If you don't follow Leslie on Instagram, her handle is at Leslie Joy. So please go follow her and watch her reels. Also, please follow me.
I don't work my time. Oh, baby, baby, baby. It's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind. And it feels like you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like you don't know my.
Baby,
Baby, I love you. Baby, I need you.
Will you ever know? Oh, baby, baby, baby. I see us on our birthday.
Okay. And what for TikTok? Guys, this is what we are having as a hangover remedy. This is vanilla choc chip ice cream, there's soda, then there's KFC, then normal fries and normal chicken. So yeah, obviously it's the next day.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly, really low. Take me high. Teach you all the song.
Flower bomb. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lay some down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves a baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that word. I heard that she been on strike.
Let me speak from here. Junasikia ni kama kuna echo. Hi guys, I just realized that I actually did not introduce this vlog today. So yeah, hi guys, today is Tuesday. I went to town to run some errands. So right now I'm back home, Nick 7. I want to cook dinner. I've not had anything to eat since yesterday. Like the last meal I had ilikuwa sapa jana. I've literally not had anything to eat. The first thing I did, I went to a meeting. Then after my meeting, I went to Kilimani. My meeting was also in Kilimani, so I went to a nail parlor to get my nails done. You guys saw that. Then afterwards, I went to town to open a new bank account because I needed it for work purposes. Then I also went to buy a new line because I need to open a new PayPal account also for work purposes. Then after that, I went to Mr. Price because I needed slides, sandals. I just needed errands, shoes. I got a cute pair. Let me show you guys. I got this cute pair. I'm actually going to wear them tomorrow. Then what else did I? Yeah, then I just came back home right now to cook dinner. I had a package sent over, but since I was not home, I told Crystal to pick it up for me. So I want to start cooking. Niache chakula ikiiva, go upstairs to her house, pick up my package. Then yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a brief update of what I did today. Yeah. Hi guys, so I just ordered my fridge. Like it's pretty early in the morning, but that's the first thing I wanted to do today. Like I literally just told myself today when I wake up, the first thing I'm going to do is get myself a fridge because I'm tired of suffering, because I literally have to buy food every single day and I have to buy like food in small quantities. Like I've literally been living in hell. Yeah, if I may say so. I ordered my fridge. Like guys, this is my dream fridge. This fridge is in my vision board. Like I put it in my vision board when I was creating my vision board in January, put it on there, and right now everything is just unfolding and it's coming to life and I'm getting the fridge that I've always wanted. So yeah, so you guys are going to be able to see everything. You'll see my fridge, you'll see how cute it looks, and yeah, welcome to the vlog. Haitaanguka hivyo, mnashikilia box na fridge iko chini. Yeah?
She makes the hairs on the back of my neck stand up. Just one touch, and I erupt like a volcano and cover her with my love. Baby girl, you make me sing, and I just can't think of anything else I'd rather do than to hear you sing. Sing my name the way home. We do our thing. We do the things we do. Baby girl, you make me say, sexy love. Girl, the things you do. Oh, baby, baby, it's wrong. Keep me running back to you. Oh, baby, I love to you. Baby, do you know you're mine? Sexy love.
You
No, right there. I'm just having fun. I hope you're having fun too. Listen.
Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. Today is Friday. I'm currently on my way to town. I'm going to get my hair done. I'm wearing a wig right now. This Afro wig. It's from Station Wig, because every time I usually post a vlog, someone DMs me and asks me where I got the wig. It's from station.wig on Instagram. I might put the Instagram handle here if I remember to. You can go check them out. They are really pretty affordable. So right now I'm going to town to get my hair done. I think I'm going to get cornrows. Yeah, actually I'm going to get cornrows. I'm not so sure what hairstyle I'm going for, but once I get there I'll decide. So I want to leave the house and I just wanted to introduce the vlog before I actually leave. See you guys in a few. This light sijui inafanya uso wangu inakaaje, but yeah.
My whole life has changed since you came in. I knew back then you were that special one. I'm so in love, so deep in love. You made my life complete. You are so sweet, no one can beat. Glad you came into my life. You flood me with your love.
Hi guys, so I just got back home. My forehead is popping. So yeah, I got cornrows done. I'm sure you guys saw all that because I was vlogging. So right now it's about 5-ish. I want to rest kidogo because I'm supposed to make dinner for Nairobi and I today. So I want to rest kidogo, then start making dinner. Yeah, so we're having pilau, then I'll make also kachumbari. Then yeah guys.
With you I am a son. When you open me, I'm wide open. And I'm doing things I never do. But I feel so good, I feel so good. Why it takes so long to make finding you? This is my story, and I'm telling you.